Can you send messages on Instagram Threads? Firstly, install the Thread application on your device. Once it is installed, open it on your device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now go to your profile section. You can do that by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom panel. Select the two-line icon at the top right corner. In your settings, you will see various options like these, but you won't find any options called messages. If you tap on the Instagram icon at the top right corner, you will land to your Instagram profile. So currently, Threads do not support direct messaging. This is why you can use Instagram to message instead. Search for the person's account. Once you find it, then simply click on their profile and select the option Message. And now you'll be able to message them on Instagram. Messaging feature may be available on Threads in the future, so make sure that you check for updates in the Play Store or App Store. That's all for today. Thank you.